Inside West Coast Customs is a car remodeling reality television show based in Burbank, California. The series revolves around car customizer Ryan Friedlinghaus and his staff at West Coast Customs as they transform ordinary, factory model vehicles into extraordinary, fully customized vehicles. The show has featured cameo appearances by celebrities that include Shaquille O'Neal, Mark Wahlberg, will.i.am, Justin Bieber and Conan O'Brien. The first season of Inside West Coast Customs consisted of 11 episodes which originally aired in 2011. The second season, 16 episodes, followed in 2012. The third season had a production run of 5 episodes which were originally broadcast from February 2013 to March 2013. Following season 3, the show briefly dropped the Inside from the name and changed networks to Fox Sports 2. For its 7th season, Inside West Coast Customs kept its original name and moved to Velocity. Inside West Coast Customs is now showing its 8th season in 2018. Series overview. Episodes: Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4, Season 5, Season 6, Season 7, Season 8. References: West Coast Customs TV show.